Hello everyone, this is Miss Mara and welcome back to my channel. Today we have yet another collab with Dressin. I have tried on a haul from them previously. I will link that previous video in the description box below and after this video. But for now, we are going to try on outfits today that are headed into fall and winter wear, as well as what they would look like with Underbust Corsets. But before we get into that, go ahead and click the subscribe button, turn on notifications so that you know when I have new content out. I post a new video or live stream every Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific time. Follow my socials at Mara Domina for daily news and updates. I have 3 membership tiers here on YouTube, so go check that out on my About page after this video. Don't forget I have a monthly newsletter that tells you all my travel details as well as events that I'm hosting throughout the cities that I currently am in. All right, so this first piece is actually a very long ankle length, stretchy black spaghetti dress. It has very fine lines going down. And today I have 2 underbust corsets that I'm going to try on. One of them is black and the other is brown. I am a black material on black type of person, and so we're going to try this one on with this underbust. So this is what this one looks like. I think it's a way to really elevate something that's casual, just something that's pretty chic. I really like that you can have like a laced corset on the back and stuff like that. So that's the first one. The second one is going to be heading into fall, so stay tuned for those. So this dress I feel like would be great for summer and then going into fall as well. So as you can see, this one already has like tassels that you can tie in the front or you can tie it in the back. It doesn't really matter. It's up to your preference. But for corsets, I feel like this would pair really well with the brown one. I don't feel like the brown one has a, true area of which way it goes. Also, this one is an elastic velvet one, so you don't even have to have like, the corset that has boning like the black one in order for you to pair this with something. But say you wanted to be a little bit more medieval or wanted to have like the maiden flair, this is kind of what I would pair it with. All right, next up is going to be a rust and wine colored jumpsuit. All right, so this is the jumpsuit that I was talking about. It is a 2-piece. It crops off at the midriff. You could tie it in a knot. You could tie it in a bow, wobble it to and fro. But also this would be great with this same brown corset because brown on brown gives great texture. All I did was I tucked the knot behind the corset so that it looks like one piece. It has pockets, and then you're kind of good to go. I really like this look. I think you could pair it with sandals or boots, and it would be beautiful together. All right, next up we have the wine colored 2-piece. This is literally the same thing as the previous rust colored one, and you could totally do a brown corset because it's very fall, very autumn, very earthy, but I think I'm gonna go back and do the black corset because why not? Black and red is very, I feel like, Asian inspired as well. Again, I'm going to hide the bow behind the corset, and voila. That's kind of how it looks. I feel like this could be a smart casual get-together outfit, which is sleek and sexy. All right, this next one is a combo. It literally is a blue silk shirt type of satin that has like a puffed sleeve action that goes all the way down to the wrist. And it also has 2 buttons at the end that match the color. It has an opening by the neck as well as a lovely collar. And then I'm wearing these kind of brown, beige, khaki pants that also have a elastic on the second half. I'm going to pair this with the brown corset because it just suits it the best. You're obviously welcome to put a belt on, but for me, I think the corset just speaks for itself. I love how wide these pant legs are. It's just very flowy and casual, and I feel like this is great for spring, fall, or winter because of the blues, and then obviously the tans of the pants. All right, sticking with the blue theme, next we have this almost denim type of duotone fabric. I'm gonna come closer because this sheen is really cool. See that, but the light is shining off of it really nicely. It does give a little bit of a nightgown type of feel, but that's what these corsets are for. So if we put a corset around, it already snatches the waist. And then in addition to that, you could wear it with the long sleeves down, but I'm actually gonna roll them up because I think it would look cute with like a boho cowgirl type of feel. It'd be great with a black cowgirl hat or a beret even, artist hat, Parisian, if you will. But yes, I also like this duotone of blue happening here. And so you can wear it like this. And it's still kind of artistic. I don't know, I like the vibe a lot. And we have one more blue coming up after this. And another blue dress. What I forgot to mention in the previous dress, because I realized that these ones don't have pockets, I was like looking for them, was that there were pockets on both of the breasts of the previous dress. So that was really nice as well. But this one has sleeves that are actually attached to the hem, the top hem of the chest of this one with cute ruffles. It is kind of more like a flamenco dress or some sort of boho dress going on. You could use either brown or black corset for this. I'm going to use a brown one because I think this would look good with brown riding boots as well as a brown underbust corset. And that way, if you're not too fond of this ruching here, because I don't really like seeing that, it hides it as well, and it gives a very damsel in distress or damsel that's gonna save a prince vibe, you know? So I feel like this would be great with a sword. You can throw medieval themes in there as well. Casual and breezy and beautiful. It goes all the way to the ankle, and you can just, you could even tuck your hem in actually if you really wanted to and make it look sexy. I've seen people tucking in their hems and just showing a little bit of leg as well. Next we do have this snowy white type of short dress with a halter lace top. I really like how the dress looks already, but because we can add an underbust corset, I'm going to choose black because black and white is a classic combo. We're gonna do this. And to get rid of that banding, because it's gonna look a little awkward, I shifted the underbust corset up just a tad. I really enjoy this one. I think it's super classy. There's 2 clasps at the back of the neck to hold the top part of the dress together. And there's an invisible zipper on the right side as well. All right, and last but not least is the little black dress. It has a ruched side on the right. It is strapped with kind of a V notion going over the shoulder on both sides. I am going to pair this with my black corset because why not? Black on black again. And it's just a classic look while keeping your curves accentuated. You can obviously pair this with a pair of high heel pumps, sandals, high heel sandals, platforms, boots, etc. I am going to sit here for a second because I want to show that there is like a V that happens right by the legs, which is a really nice touch and detail. And yeah, this is the little black dress that I chose. Alrighty everyone, that is all we have for you today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it so that other people can learn more about Dressin and their high quality, thick fabric items. Go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you know when I have new content out. Again, I post every Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific time. Follow my link in the description below if you would like to check out all of the items that I wore today on my try-on haul. I have 3 membership tiers here on YouTube. Go check that out after this video. And until next time, keep it kinky, everyone.